The phrasal verb break down has many different meanings depending on the context. Today, we are going to discuss and look at how breakdown works in business situations. In a business setting, you could be in a meeting and the manager says, let's break down the sales report to identify which products are performing the best. Maybe you're in a meeting with a manager and the manager says, let's break down the data into categories to see the trends. Additionally, you could be having a meeting discussing customer retention, and your colleague says, we need to break down the customer feedback to understand what improvements we need to make. You can see from these three examples that the phrasal verb break down is referring to dividing or analyzing something into smaller parts. For more help with phrasal verbs in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for phrasal verbs. Check it out.